Cisco offers both premise-based hardware management versus cloud-based hardware management. With cloud-based hardware management, you have a simpler implementation but less configuration control. You would lead with Cisco MX if platform flexibility is not necessary, if you're looking for unified configuration and management, and if an organization is already invested in that solution. Lead with Cisco ISR, a premise-based hardware, if you have a more granular or piece-by-piece configuration control. Although this requires a staff with a higher skill set, it offers a more extensive feature set, which in turn leads to a longer service life. In these next few slides, we will discuss the typical needs of small, mid-sized, and large offices, and the Cisco router products which best fit customers' basic as well as advanced requirements. We will first start with a small branch office. At a small branch office, the majority of resources the users access are located centrally at headquarters. In order to maintain a small physical footprint, we would like to integrate network services into a single device. This architecture will keep the solution cost-effective and easy to deploy and maintain. To fulfill the basic customer requirements, the Cisco RV series of routers will provide an Ethernet WAN interface, a simple-to-use browser-based GUI interface to configure a VPN connection to headquarters, and built-in firewall services for basic threat protection. For intermediate services such as firewall services and advanced QoS features, the Cisco 880 ISR router fits the bill. And finally, for the most number of WAN port types to accommodate different provider options as well as application services, the Cisco 890 ISR is the best choice, as discussed previously. Cisco AVC on the 890 monitors application performance and troubleshoots issues that arise. Next, we will move to the mid-sized branch office. As with a small branch, in a mid-sized branch, the majority of resources the users access are located centrally at headquarters. And again, we would also like to integrate network services into a single device. In addition, the mid-sized branch is also looking for enterprise-class connectivity and VPN capability, as well as advanced features to support additional users. To fulfill the basic customer requirements, the Cisco 890 ISR router will provide 4 different types of WAN interfaces: a simple-to-use browser-based GUI interface to configure a VPN connection to headquarters, and advanced QoS features. For organizations moving toward an SDN, an application-centric infrastructure, the Cisco 1100 ISR router provides APIC support. The 1100 also provides a more secure option with the Firepower Next Generation Firewall and Cisco Umbrella Branch solution. Cisco Umbrella Branch brings a simple-to-use content filtering solution to your branch offices. It stops Wi-Fi guests from accessing inappropriate content and keeps employees focused on productivity when on the Internet by blocking requests to malicious domains and IPs before a connection is ever made. Finally, we move to the large branch or office. As with all other sized branches, we would like to integrate network services into a single device with enterprise-class connectivity and VPN capabilities, as well as advanced features. But this time, we may want the flexibility that the Cisco 1100 ISR offers, or the scalability that a modular chassis router, like the Cisco 4000 series, offers. To fulfill the basic customer requirements, the Cisco 1100 ISR router will provide all of the features mentioned previously, including the APIC support and a more secure option with the Firepower Next Generation Firewall and the Cisco Umbrella Branch solution. The Cisco 4221 ISR router offers performance and capabilities on par with an enterprise router, delivered in a desktop-sized package that's ideal for small and medium-sized business ecosystems. The Cisco 4221 ISR enables consistent business-driven and policy-based operations across network domains, including microbranches, ATMs, kiosks, pop-up locations, and IoT use cases. The Cisco 4321 ISR router would add more performance with faster speeds over the 4221. The 4321 ISR also utilizes one available ISC slot for an optional PVDM module to add IP voice and video capability. The PVDMs support digital voice connections, conferencing, universal transcoding, and media optimization services. Lastly, the Cisco 4321 ISR router also supports the Cisco UCS E-Series server modules. As we discussed previously, this allows you to host your applications on a blade as if it were a full-size server. Here is a quick look at a simple feature comparison between Cisco and two of its competitors in the mid-market arena, HP and Huawei. Cisco's strength is the services that work hand in hand with its integrated services hardware. Some of these services are the result of key Cisco solutions partnering. For example, Glue Networks has pioneered the industry's first intelligent automation engine and suite of networking applications for software-defined wide-area networks, SD-WAN. Glue is a solution-level Cisco developer network partner and is focused on automating Cisco's intelligent WAN architectures. Cisco and Akamai work together to deliver the world's first integrated application optimization solution for hybrid WANs. This partnership extends business-critical data center applications to the branch office, providing a high-quality experience on any device, regardless of where the application resides. And the Cisco 4000 ISR routers offer unparalleled network security with Umbrella Branch. With Umbrella, you get a layer of protection for all branch users from malware, botnets, phishing, and targeted online attacks. Extensive real-time threat intelligence works in conjunction with DNS to keep users from connecting to malicious sites. Protection is built in and enabled by default. In these next few slides, we will again discuss fulfilling customer routing needs, but this time we will break it down by industry. For example, retail chains, education, and hospitality. First, we will start with the needs of retail chains, which include point-of-sale terminals, which require access to centralized data center servers, dynamically engaging customers with Wi-Fi, digital signage, and empowering employees with digital tools like tablets to increase customer service satisfaction, as well as the need to mitigate theft and fraud while also securing physical and digital assets. You'll notice to fulfill these organizational requirements, the recommendations are the same as those of the mid-sized branch office we discussed previously. Lead with the ISR 1100 to fulfill the basic requirements and exceed the basic requirements with additional features of the ISR 4221. Next, we will discuss the needs of the hospitality industry, mid-sized hotels. The needs in this industry include conferencing systems in conference rooms with seamless video and voice streaming, safeguarding guests, visitors, and employees' information, and enabling guest services by equipping employees with mobile devices. For example, a new hotel guest approaches the front desk to check in. The wireless signal from their mobile device is automatically detected. After the guest receives notification of available Wi-Fi access and services, they can securely connect to your property's maps, shopping, services, local entertainment, loyalty programs, and other services. You'll notice to fulfill these organizational requirements, the recommendations are the same as those of the mid-sized to large branch office we discussed previously. Lead with the ISR 4221 to fulfill the basic requirements and exceed the basic requirements with additional features of the ISR 4321. For organizations looking for a less expensive option that do not require the Cisco Umbrella or Unified Communications Solutions, the ISR 1100 is an effective alternative. Finally, we will discuss the needs of the education industry, K through 12 schools. These needs include conferencing systems in classrooms, increasing the potential for learning and teaching through collaboration with peers and experts through seamless video and voice streaming, keeping users safe by determining which resources students versus faculty need internally or on the Internet, supporting innovation, acceleration, and research computing utilizing high bandwidth from media upload and downloads. You'll notice to fulfill these organizational requirements, the recommendations are the same as those of the large branch office we discussed previously. Lead with the ISR 1100 to fulfill the basic requirements and exceed the basic requirements with additional features of the ISR 4321.